Okay, everybody, welcome to Putu Surfboard Repair, West Bali, Indonesia, by Almeric. So this board been fixing. Someone has fixing this, but I bit sad with this board. See, it's really bad fixing. So I'm gonna took out this and put more resin on it to making really flat. This is such a good board. So I'm gonna start with this. Oh my god. Let's check it out. Time to break out this and then put new one again. I put a little bit resin on it, make sure it's flat. After this, I'm gonna sanding, and when flat, you have to put one layer of fiberglass and then gel coat. And also around here, big damage from the surfboard rack. So this board ready, just need to painting. See the biggest one? Now it's really flat. Time to painting white and we call soft green. Thank you for giving me job. Thank you. Okay, this board I've been painting. So see, this is a doff and that glossy, but keep dry first until really dry, and then you can use water sanding. Thank you for giving me job. Another 1 hour done. Thank you for customer. Thank you for giving me job, for make me busy. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Like and share. I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. By Putu Surf Repair. Best West Bali. On the first Main Street. There are Main Street, Preston, that's me.